Ever wondered how to turn your passion for creating inspirational videos into a steady income? Well, with the help of AI, it's easier than you think. Stay tuned, as in today's video, I will be sharing my journey and show you how AI can help you make $900 a month by creating viral content. Before we start, like and subscribe if you want to learn the easiest way to make money online. Market research. The first step is to do some market research to find the kind of videos and channels that are performing well in this niche. For this, we are simply going to use the YouTube search bar. Search for keywords like motivational speeches, and then use the filters option to sort the results by view count. This way, you can see the most popular videos in the niche. Take note of the videos with the highest view counts, even if they're older. Check out the channels that uploaded these videos to see if they're still active and producing new content. For example, if a channel has recent uploads and is still getting decent views, it's a good sign that the niche is profitable. The fact that these channels continue to produce similar content without facing copyright issues suggests that they've found ways to avoid copyright claims. This could be due to adding their own creative elements, text overlays, and background music, which often falls under fair use guidelines. Even if a video includes copyrighted content, such as speeches by famous individuals like Will Smith, it can still be monetized if it's been sufficiently modified to create a new piece of content. For example, adding your own commentary or editing techniques can transform copyrighted content into something new and unique. By following the example of successful motivational channels on YouTube and incorporating your own creative touches, you can create videos that resonate with your audience and generate income. Generate inspiring quotes with ChatGPT. Since this is a motivational video, the text you add plays a major role capturing the audience's attention and emphasizing key points. You can use text to introduce the topic of the video, highlight important sections, or add captions and subtitles. For this, we will start by using ChatGPT to generate inspirational quotes for your videos. Instruct ChatGPT to keep the quotes simple and easy to understand, using prompts like, "Create a motivational quote in simple English." This ensures that everyone can connect with the message. Generate a list of approximately 20 short quotes to use as the foundation for your videos. I usually begin with simple one-sentence quotes. These work well for short videos and are easy to understand. Sometimes, experimenting with different prompts can help find the right vibe for the quotes. After getting the initial quotes, I ask ChatGPT to add a second sentence related to the first one. This adds depth to the message without making it too long. If the quotes still feel too short, consider adding a third part. This creates a fuller message and makes the video more engaging. With 3 sentences, the video length usually falls between 15 to 20 seconds, which is perfect for capturing attention without being too brief. Alright, now we're moving on to the next step. Video and voiceover. Use Fleeky to convert the generated quotes into engaging voiceovers for your videos. After signing up for Fleeky, start a new file by giving it a name and hitting submit. Once the project is set up, copy the motivational quote you created with ChatGPT and paste it into Fleeky. This automatically creates a scene with the entire quote. However, to make the video more engaging, I'll need to switch up the footage. To achieve this, I add another scene by clicking the plus icon. Then, I carefully read through the quote to determine where it's appropriate to switch the footage. After identifying the transition points, I split the quote and paste the remaining text into the next scene. Keep adding scenes and cutting up the quote until you have the desired number of scenes for your video. Fleeky offers flexibility in terms of footage selection. The key is to choose well-shot cinematic videos, regardless of their content. Choose footage that aligns with the tone and message of the quotes, even if it seems unrelated at first. For example, I might use footage of cars driving, fields of flowers, or even seemingly random shots like birds or leaves. The cinematic quality is what matters most. Despite the seemingly unrelated content, the common thread is the high production quality, which keeps viewers engaged. Adjust the aspect ratio from square to portrait to optimize for mobile viewing. This ensures your video looks great on smartphones. If subtitles are automatically generated, hide them in Fleeky settings. You can add them later in another program for better control over appearance and timing. In Fleeky, Choose the name of the voiceover and apply it to all voiceovers. This ensures consistency in the narration throughout the video. Setting the gap between scenes to 0.2 seconds creates a smoother transition between scenes, making the voiceover sound more natural. Extend the duration of the last scene manually to ensure it aligns with the length of the music you'll add later. This step is crucial for synchronizing the voiceover and music effectively. Add captivating music. Select appropriate background music to enhance the mood and emotional impact of your videos. Choose music that complements the tone of your content and evokes the desired emotions in your audience. When it comes to choosing music for your video, you have several options. On Instagram, many people use copyrighted music without issues, especially on theme pages that earn money through shoutouts or sponsors, rather than ads on their reels. If you're using YouTube, you can add music from the YouTube Shorts audio library without facing copyright strikes. However, it's safest to use royalty-free music to avoid copyright issues. You can find a variety of royalty-free music by searching on Google. AI-driven platforms like Epidemic Sound or Soundstripe provide access to a vast library of royalty-free music tracks. Some websites may require a subscription, but there are also plenty of options where you can download songs for free. Import the MP4 file from Fleeky and the music you've selected into CapCut. CapCut is a free editing tool with powerful features. Drag the music file to the bottom of the screen in CapCut. The timing of the music is crucial, especially for motivational videos. Listen to the music to identify the drop or climax. This is a crucial point in motivational videos as it creates impact. Play the music to determine the drop, then set the timing bar at this point. Drag the video file on top of the music and align the ending of the speech sound wave just before the drop. This ensures the drop coincides with the end of the speech, creating a powerful effect. Delete any excess music and adjust the start of the music to match the start of the video. Lower the volume of the music slightly to ensure it doesn't overpower the voiceover. You can do this by selecting the music and adjusting the volume slider in the top right corner of the screen. Once you've aligned the speech with the music and adjusted the volume, your video is ready for the finishing touches. Apply color grading techniques to enhance the mood and visual appeal of videos by adjusting various color parameters such as temperature, hue, saturation, brightness, and contrast. For a mysterious and dark mood, consider lowering the temperature to create a cooler, more subdued color palette. This can evoke a sense of intrigue and suspense in the viewers. Experiment with shifting the hue slider to alter the color tones within the video. For a mysterious mood, you may want to slightly shift the hues towards cooler tones such as blue or green. Depending on the mood you want to convey, you can adjust the saturation to enhance the visual impact of your content. Brightness controls the overall lightness or darkness of your video. By adjusting the brightness slider, you can make your video appear brighter and more cheerful or darker and more ominous. Increasing brightness can illuminate the scene and draw attention to specific elements, while decreasing it can create a moody, shadowy effect. Next, add subtitles to your video using the auto caption feature. Place the subtitles in the middle of the screen and increase the font size for better visibility. If the text is too long, split it into smaller parts to make it more manageable. Choose a classic font like Arno Pro for the subtitles, and add a shadow effect to make them stand out against the background. Adjust the shadow settings to your liking, such as increasing the distance to create a sense of depth. Finally, review the video to ensure everything fits nicely together. The dark and mysterious feel should complement the motivational message of the video. Once you're satisfied, export the completed video in the desired format and resolution, ensuring compatibility with various social media platforms. Utilize AI-powered social media management tools to schedule posts, track performance metrics, and identify opportunities for growth. Platforms like Hootsuite or Buffer can help automate posting schedules and analyze engagement metrics across multiple social media channels. Engage with your audience. Build a strong connection with your audience by actively engaging with them through comments, messages, and live streams. Use AI-driven chatbots and automation tools to respond to inquiries, address feedback, and foster community engagement. Show genuine appreciation for your audience's support and encourage them to share your content with their networks. If you're ready to start earning like me, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications for more tips and tricks. Now here's a question for you. What's your favorite AI tool for content creation? Let me know in the comments below. In the next video, I will show you how I make cash flow with ChatGPT and Midjourney AI. Make sure you don't miss out.